Welcome back to It's Puzzling. It's snowing outside, so what better to do than do a puzzle? Of course, I am still on my WREBBIT3D Harry Potter series. So today we're going to be doing part of the Diagon Alley collection. It is 285 pieces. This one is Weasley'S Wheezes and Daily Profit Store. Once we put all four, because it's four in the collection, once we put all four together, then I'll line them up to show you how big they actually are. Because I know they do have one that you can just do the whole Diagon Alley together at one time, but I think it's a lot smaller. So, as usual, you know how I roll. Got my sandwich bag ready to put these little red pieces. Got my butter beer and my muggle-worthy shirt because can't do a Harry Potter puzzle if you're not in a wizarding space. So yeah, we're just going to start taking out the red pieces, tossing them to the side, and then we can actually start puzzling. I'm going to start taking out the red pieces that we don't need. And then toss those to the side, put them in a little baggie, and then we'll start puzzling and do all the separations and everything. If you're new to the channel, as you know, I don't read instructions. So this is probably to be a lot faster if we read the instructions, but that kind of takes the fun out of the puzzle. It's all a mystery. You got to figure everything out, right? That's what I say. So I'm just going to make it a little bit harder for myself. I'm not going to read the instructions. Of course, I am going to look at the photo to see what sides go with what sides. And that's how I'm going to do the separating because, as you know, there aren't really any end pieces. Well, on that note, let's separate and get started. So I went ahead and it's 2:40 now. So it took me 25 minutes because I did stop and I didn't start back till 2:25. So it took me 15 minutes to separate the throwaway pieces. Looking at the piles, this is the throwaway pile. It's way more throwaway pieces than anything else. It seems like I did go ahead and separate everything. So I separated. So I separated what looked like purple brick. It's like white brick. Here, black roof, dark blue roof. It looks like probably doors or windows. This, I don't know what it is, but they all look alike. And then like the random pieces and the building. And I did the building with foliage. So I have all these piles. Now I am going to rotate where I'm sitting and change out my SD card because it's acting like a jerk right now. So we got all our throwaway pieces in the baggie. We're going to set those to the side. And I guess I'm going to work on the purple building first. So I'm going to work on this purple part since that's what's in the center of my board right now. 20 minutes to get these pieces together. It looks like these are mixed into this pile over here, so I'm going to try to put the rest of the windows and stuff together so that we can finish the purple box. All the purple pieces together. It took 40 minutes because I had the windowsill separated, so it took 40 minutes. Now I'm going to work on the blue and green pieces. I think that it's going to wind up being the Daily Prophet. So this is the base. It took me like 25 minutes to put the base together. This is why they give you the instructions, but it's okay. It's snowing outside. I don't have nothing else to do. We're not rating them. So we have all the pieces together finally. It took 4:20. Took an hour and 35 minutes after all my stopping for phone calls and crap. So that's the base. That is the Daily Profit, the Weasley'S shop, the random stuff we're going to put on the end, and the roof. And then, so now we're just going to put it together upright. Okay, so I've got all my sides. Now, just going to try. Okay, so I've got all my sides. Now I'm just going to try to put the pieces together. Like I said, I'm pretty positive this is the base. So, maybe I should put my walls on first. Let's see. This one's got to be... Figured out what those two stray pieces were. It was the top of the roof. The question is, which roof goes with which? Okay, so the black one is the Weasley'S. putting the roof together. My battery died, my bad. So we have the roof together. It's all enclosed. That's the base. It's pretty sturdy, minus the weird bendy part of the building. So the pieces that we have left are like the signs. They're like the signs and lamp posts and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go add those in. That's what the little holes. It's little tiny holes all over the building. You can probably see them better on this blue side. Little tiny holes. We're gonna go in and add them. So we've got it all together without any instructions. So, and as you can see, it has like the little pop out signs. It's got little step to enter the doorway on both sides. It's got another lamp in the back of the building in the alleyway with some other shops. It's pretty big. Let's go get the car, because I think the car is like the same height as the building. I don't know. But all in all, I think we did all right. I'm gonna go get the car. The car is really large compared to Diagon Alley. Like, it covers half the building. Fly it away. It's too large. Like, Hagrid's getting out of there because he's definitely, this is huge compared to the pieces for Diagon Alley. So this is the two pieces. Like I said, once you get the other 3 parts of the collection, you're supposed to be able to put them together side by side and make all of Diagon Alley. It did take like 2 hours, give or take. It would probably be shorter if we read the instructions. But yeah, so it took like 2 hours because I did take a bunch of breaks to do other crap, phone ringing, all that jazz. I like it though. I like it. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but that's because it's got so many designs all over it. Like, it's not too many pieces that are exactly the same. Like, that's, I'm kind of dreading getting to the castle. If you've seen the WREBBIT3D astronomy tower in Hogwarts, it's all the pieces look exactly the same. So this one was pretty easy. I like it. It's very sturdy. Like I said, it's made out of like foam or something. So yeah, that's it. Join me in the next one. Don't think I'm going to do another part of Diagon Alley yet. I'm not sure because I think we were supposed to do Hagrid's hut next. So I'll probably be doing Hagrid's hut, and we'll just scurry on through. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.